So the question is uh, log of 8 to the base 5 whole divided by log of 32 to the base 5. And many students will make the mistake. What they would do, they would say this is log 8 minus 32 to the base 5. This is a normal mistake which the people make. This is not equal to this. Can you dictate me the actual form, actual rule? Actual rule says log of whatsoever is a b over c is equal to log of b to the base a minus log of c to the base a. So you understand this which I have written in red is totally different than this. This is actually the one which is there. I write it in black again. If I have to write that thing, it is something different. It is log b to the base a over log of c to the base a. And these both are not equal. Therefore, it is not equal to this. Does it make sense to you?
Yep.
So this many students make these types of mistake, and they consider that this is like this. It's not. So this is not like this. So what we can do is we could again the hint is the same which I gave you in the previous question. We try to either make the base equal or we may try to make the logarithm equal. That is, so what we would do, we would from here we see 2 raised to the power 3 is 8, and also 32 could be in the power of 2. So I can write like this: logarithm 5 2 raised to the power 3. Is it correct? Oh, I should take 3 out to the, yeah,
Yeah.
divided by log of, and again 2 and 2 raised to the power, how much is 32? Let me write 5 also in the down.
Is
Yeah,
it 5?
yeah, 2, yeah, 5. And now we can write this like this: 3 log of 5, log of 2 to the base 5 divided by 5 log of 2 to the base 5. And now we have something which is common, so we get that, and we have answer 3 over 5. Interesting, isn't
Yeah,
it?
the answer's completely different.
Yeah, yeah. So, no, that's a mistake which many students make. So just remember that it's not, this thing is totally different than this. So log of a number divided by log of another number is not equal to log of the difference of those two numbers. It's not. It's a logarithmic, and it says it is 2 log of x to the base n minus 1 is equal to log of 25 to the base n. Yeah, and we want to know some, find x in n. Yeah, that's a question.
Yep.
Yes. Okay, we would do that. So if I look at this question and solution, so there is something which is interesting to see. Um, Here on the right side is log to the base n, and there it is log to the base n. Yeah, and then is minus 1. So minus 1 is somehow, we learned in once we were covering logarithm, that if everything is, we are finding something, and we did it for the exponential also. We have something like ax. We try to have the other equation also in the form of ax or a raised to the power anything. Then because if it is that, if the bases are same and this becomes something like, for example, y, so we say x is equal to y. Does it make sense to you? I'm
Yep.
I'm talking about exponential. But that's the same approach we will apply here. So what we would try to do is we would try to convert this also 1 into the log n, so that on the left hand side we have everything in log n, and we do have it on the right side in the form of log n, log to the base n, I mean. And then we can equate them. What I'm saying is we would just do like this, that we say 2 log of x to the base n. And what can I write 1 as log to the base n? Log of n to the base n, because then it would be 1. Is it okay?
That's fine. I didn't know you could just add logs in there. I,
Yeah, no, we want to, why we are doing it, because that would help us. Let me just rub this off because it may confuse. And we say, okay, log of n to the 25. So now we have on the left hand side the equation in log n, and also on the right hand side the equation is in log n. We can write now using the rules. So this becomes log of x square minus log of n over n is equal to log of n 25. Does it make sense? Yeah.
yep.
And then we can write, this was log n. So we can write now this is, so we can write log of n x square over n is equal to log of n 25. Does it make sense?
Hmm.
So that, what does it mean? It means because it's both on log n, so it means this thing should be equal to this thing. Yes?
Yeah.
So it means x square over n is equal to 25, or x square is equal to 25n, and x is equal to 5 root n. Another question which we want to do is, it is 2 log of 3 to the base 6 minus log of 54 to the base 6 plus 2. We want to solve this, right? And
Yep.
the idea which I have been propagating is that we also bring everything into the same log to the base. So it means 2 can be written as log 6 to the 36, because 6 raised to the power 2 is 36. So we can write like this. So log of 6 and 2 raised to the power 3 is 9 minus log of 54. So we are doing like this, yeah. And now, because of the formula, so we knew they have the same basis, so we can write them like this. It is 9 over 54 times 36, and this is log to the base 6. Why? Because it means you would have a log of 9 plus log of 36 minus log of 54. That's the same thing. I just took a little shortcut. So if it is like this, we can now solve it. 9 ones are 9, 9 6 are 54, 6 1 is 6, 6 6 36. So this becomes log of 6 to the, and that is equal to 1.